Hi. Okay, first of all, can you appreciate the background? I mean, wow. Anyway, we are gathered here today to talk about burnout. And for those of you who are living under a rock and don't know what burnout is, it means when you overwork yourself. And I have personally dealt with burnout a lot. I mean, as far as I can remember, all my student life, I was always on the brink of tears, which is why I would like to give my past self an advice that don't put too much on your plate that you know you can't handle. With me personally, it used to happen a lot that I could not say no to people, which is why I ended up taking a lot on my plate. I took up a lot of tasks that I knew I would not be able to handle. But मेरे से रिजेक्शन कन्वे करना हो नहीं पाता था, which is why I only had to suffer in the end. But now I have learned how to say no, and I know कि जितना तुमसे हो पाएगा उतना ही तुमको लेना चाहिए अपने सर पे, because there's no point in putting so much pressure on yourself. And normally burnout happens when you can't see a break in sight, like when you feel like everything is happening monotonously, like there's no break in between. That's when burnout takes place. And in this generation of hustle culture, taking a break does not look acceptable. It screams, oh, you're so lazy. And that was what made me overwork myself, because I wanted to fit into that hustle culture criteria कि काम करते रहो without any break. But that led to me feeling burnt out. And I mean, of course, wanting to take a break is normal, but in this day and age, it is not portrayed as something normal. Like for example, office maybe there are certain number of leaves that you can take within a year, right? But मतलब उतना लीव तुम ले सकते हो, बट वो देंगे नहीं, because it comes off as क्यों चाहिए इतना लीव, नहीं काम करो. I mean, that is how the culture is everywhere, and that is why people are dealing with so much of other mental issues. Another thing that I have realized that has helped me with my burnout is that पहले I used to not let people help me. मेरा ऐसा होता था कि नहीं, मैं कर दूंगी, आई फिगर इट आउट माई सेल्फ. आई मीन, आई यूज्ड टू फील ashamed of asking for help, but now I have just gotten over that fear, because there's nothing to be ashamed of. You can ask for help when needed. There's nothing wrong with that. Ulta, if you overwork yourself, your productivity obviously decreases, plus the quality of the work that you do also decreases. So you might be putting out something that you're not really proud of, जिसकी वजह से you might get criticized, and then again it will lead to more mental stress. So what I do when I feel burned out is I just stop, because I have noticed that when I'm feeling rested, when I'm feeling happy, I get more work done. I'm the kind of person who thrives under pressure. Okay, अब मेरे से काम नहीं होगा unless there's some deadline looming over my head. But at the same time, now I have sort of learned to balance the right amount of pressure that should be on my head for me to get the work done. There should not be too much pressure also, because then I might just, like I said, then I might just lose on my productivity and the quality of the work. But there should also not be thoda sa pressure, because then I will not get the work done. So finding that right balance is very important, and it takes time, but you'll find that balance. So to all of you who are feeling burnt out right now, I just want to say that I get it. Okay, I have been there, I have done that multiple times, and it's the worst feeling ever. I know that, because it can really affect your self-esteem, and then you end up feeling like shit. Another solution to my burnout problem is that whenever I feel extremely burnt out, I just exercise, because वो सब जो pent up energy है वो physically निकल जाती है, and I feel much more calm. But then there are also days when I don't even feel like exercising because the motivation level is down. But then what I do is just try to walk for 10 minutes, or just do some light yoga or something like that. Anything which will just get your body moving. You don't have to go to the gym and lift weights if you're not feeling like it. But something that will just get your body moving and release those dopamine and serotonin in your brain. Or if you don't feel like exercising at all, that's also completely fine. Whatever floats your boat, okay? It can be just making yourself a fresh cup of coffee and just going through all the Pinterest stuff, or you just talk to your parents or your friends and just vent out everything. Another aspect of burning out, I mean, abhi tak to we were talking about getting burned out in your day-to-day stuff, like work or studies or stuff like that. But another aspect of it is that you can also get burnt out in friendships. I mean, that's normal, and I have experienced that
Quite often, actually.
because there are days when you don't feel like talking to your best friend at all, and you don't want to cut them off from your life, of course, but you just don't want to talk to them. And that's okay. For situations like these, distance is key. It's okay to separate yourself from them a little bit, but communicating to them that you're distancing yourself from them for a little while so that there are no misunderstandings between the two of you. But you know what? It's all okay. The key to remember is that everyone is going through this. It's an inevitable part of life. It just means that you're human and you're working really hard for something or at something. And especially when you're burnt out, please don't compare yourself to someone on the internet. Don't compare your life to theirs. It just sends you down a rabbit hole and you don't want to go there, trust me. The only way to get through this is to remind yourself that everything's going to be okay. You'll get through this. I'll get through this. We'll get through this. Okay, so that's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next week. Tab tak ke liye, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.